Okay, so welcome back and let me share my screen. Hmm. This was the gist of what we discussed yesterday. I will briefly go into it. So this is to read an image, cv2.im read from a given file. Okay, and if img is none, it means this will be none if this image cannot be read. Okay, so if it is none, then it will exist, right? And display a message will not read the image, right? After that, after checking that, what we are doing is we are creating a named window where the image is going to be displayed, right? If you want uh, to show a particular image in a window, then you have to use v2.im show. इसमें IMG cannot be any matrix. It has to be CV2 mat of this kind of matrix, right? That is, we have seen that data type of this IMG array, right? Data type was we have seen it in the last to last class. Data type of IMG is, let me just run it and show it to you. What is the data type of IMG? Right? This type of image, but all numpy ND arrays will not be uh, considered an image, right? So there is one more thing to look out, right? The data type of the data type of the elements of that numpy ND array has to be unsigned int 8. Okay, that we have to take care of. If they are float values, how can it be an image, right? So for being an image, the pixel values has to be between 0 and 255, from 0 to 255. That is 256, 8 bits. Okay. If you put wait key, this value, this waits, this wait key waits for input from the keyboard. Okay, and then if you put 0 here, it means that it is going to wait forever. If you put any number, then it will wait for that many milliseconds. Okay, and then after that you can choose to destroy the window. Okay, let me run this quickly. Why is it not showing? Mhm. Right, so we have also seen it will wait, we have written wait key 0, and it will wait forever for any key input, and then we press any key and it goes out, right? Today what we are going to do is to get this was getting input from the from a file, right, image file, and creating an img was a cv2 mat type of object. This img was the image matrix on which we will be working, right? Now the intention, let me create a new file, right? So now we are going to capture images from our camera, right? So there are certain libraries that we will be needing as np import cv2, right? These two things we will be needing most of the times. But we have to create a video capture object, right? So let me call it cap is equal to video capture and 0. ठीक. Here 0 means uh, 0 is the index of webcam or any camera, right? So if you have a webcam and a USB cam to 0 and 1, you will have to check. I mean, the one integrated with your motherboard, the webcam will be 0, the USB cam will be 1. If you don't have a webcam and you are using only a USB cam, so USB cam will be 0. I say we identify different cameras, right? So you create a video capture object, and this is like a file pointer in C. Okay, when you open a file, okay, and after this what we are going to do is we we are going to read from this cap. We're going to read from this cap. So cap dot read will we will be calling, which will be saved into two things, rate and frame. Okay, so this rate will be true if frame is red. Okay. So what this cap dot read does is that it will take one snap from the camera and will save it to frame. Okay, this frame will be a numpy nd array, and if if the if the program is able to capture one frame, ret will be true, otherwise it will false. It will be false. ठीक है? Now a few more things. Once you complete this capturing, you have to release cap. Okay? This will release the video capture object and your camera will be free for being used by other processes. Okay? This is going to, this is like a pointer to the camera, and you are reading using this, and after that you are going to release it. I hope this is clear. है ना? अच्छा. Now,
Yes, sir.
you are not going to read it only once. You are going to read it in loop. है ना?
Right, sir.
Because you want to get a video feed. ठीक? First of all, let me do this. ठीक है? Let me show you what ret and what frame is. और देखते हैं क्या problems आता है या क्या होता है. Video capture. Okay, sorry. CV2 dot video.
CV2.
Okay. See, now the green light of my webcam is, I am using a USB webcam. This is a desktop workstation. So I make the green light of my camera is on. Okay. And now when I release this, the green light of my camera is off. Okay. So let me see what ret is. Ret is true and frame is something like this. है ना? Right? We have got a frame. Okay. NumPy NDRA and this, which is an image. Okay. Now, how do we show an image? ऐसा कुछ this this is, we can do it like this. We can just copy this, you know, and then if we can put it here, let us make a function for this, and let me remove these comments for now. ठीक है. I am removing this right now. अच्छा, तो we are going to make a function display image, and here we are going to get let it be img for simplicity, and so here we have made this particular we have made this window. So here we are going to we are not going to destroy all the windows. We will destroy window. Is it okay? क्योंकि और भी कुछ open है तो it may be a problem, and we are not going to return anything. Return none. ठीक है ना? Or you can choose to return something if it is shown, then one, otherwise whatever. So let me run this, and then display image img, sorry, frame. ठीक है. This was the image that was captured. Is it okay? Now
Yes, sir.
I will
Yes, sir.
press any key and it will go away. ठीक है ना? अब I will do one more demonstration. Now in Zoom I am going to open my camera. कहाँ गया Zoom? इधर. I have started my video. Am I visible?
Yes, yes, sir.
तो I have started, right? ठीक है, रीड तो नहीं कर पाएगा। और देखो रेड क्या आएगा, फिर फॉल्स आया है ना।
Yes.
ये
Yes, sir.
फ्रेम भी ब्लैंक है अभी, राइट। So now I am stopping my video. Am I still audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है। Now let me run this again. ठीक है,
True. Yes.
कहाँ गया वो इमेज, नहीं आया अभी तक। अच्छा यहाँ पे इमेज आएगा। अरे फिर क्या, there are ways to sort this out, we will discuss it. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to loop it so that we get real time feed from the webcam. ठीक है, अब we will see how to make a function for it, but for now पहले तो while true है ना, what we have to do while true, सबसे पहले तो we are going to have this, ठीक है। After when and inside while true we are going to put it ऐसे, ठीक है। और फिर if not ret then we have to print whatever could not receive frame exiting, or फिर you can break out of the loop, ठीक है। This break will come, it will come out of this while loop if we encounter this break. Now what we have to do, we just have to show the image. So cv2 na cv2 dot, and we have to give the name of the window. What is the name of the window that we want to give? Video from webcam, and what we have to show in this frame, ठीक है। And we cannot put this, right, we cannot make it wait for any key, otherwise we will not get a video feed. So what we have to do is, if cv2 dot, अच्छा देखो पहले k is equal to cv2 dot wait key, and let us wait for 10 milliseconds, ठीक है, or we can wait for 1 millisecond, ठीक है। अब अरे ये नहीं, ठीक, k equal to cv2 dot wait key k, and k is the value of the key that is pressed, ठीक है। if k is equal to and अगर हम q प्रेस करते हैं, ठीक है, then it will break, otherwise we can continue. Now after this loop is going to end, this while true wala loop is going to end when we press Q. ठीक. After that, what should we do? Release,
Need to release.
and then
We need to destroy this.
CV2 dot destroy all windows. ठीक है. Let us run this one, but let me restart the kernel and let us see if it is connected and kernel ready. ठीक. So here I will put. Let me put it here only. Import CV2. ठीक है. ओ देखो एरर आ गया ये. You have to restart the kernel and then every useless things will go on. This is ORD. ठीक है. हेलो. So now I'm going to press Q and this will be gone.
Sir, what is this ORD?
Very good question. Let me copy this and then we will see what it is. ठीक है. अरे नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट. चलो ORD चाहिए ना. ORD of Q is 113. ठीक है. Small a is 97, B is 98. ASCII value ना.
Okay, okay, got it.
ठीक. Capital A it will be 65. ठीक है. Okay. So is it okay? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
are able to extract a video feed from the camera, right? From your camera. You can do operations, right? For example, if you want to convert it to grayscale, right? Here you can, right? Here before showing it to the video from webcam, what you can do is say is equal to cv2 dot cvt color for converting the color, and you are going to convert the color of what frame, and then you have cv2 dot color underscore bgr to gray. Now you can show gray. ठीक है. Let us run this one. Now it is gray scale, black and white हो गया ना. अब देखो.
Yes, sir.
this value पहले RGB आ रहा था. Now it is earlier it was RGB, now it is what?
L.
ये देखो L का वैल्यू बहुत कम है when it is black, right? When it is not black, it is higher, it has higher values, right? तो पूरी तरह से ब्लैक है, जैसे ये यहाँ पे 7210 ऐसे आएगा, ठीक है। दिस इज द वैल्यू फ्रॉम 0 to 255, है ना। नाउ आई प्रेस Q एंड वी कैन गेट आउट ऑफ इट, ठीक है। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन।
Yes, sir.
अगर सर क्यू की जगह 113 डालो फिर भी आउट हो जाएगा?
हाँ, यहाँ लगा सकते हैं 113।
पर ये वैल्यू याद कैसे हुआ कि ए मींस इतना, बी का मींस क्यू मतलब इतना?
इसीलिए तो ORD होता है। ORD लगाते हैं इसलिए कि याद नहीं रखना पड़े हमें, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब हम ना एक हम क्या चाहते हैं, एक हम इसको सेव करना चाहते हैं, राइट। आई वांट टू सेव दिस, ठीक। हाउ आर गोइंग टू सेव इट? सेव कैसे करेंगे? हम चाहते क्या है कि क्यू मिले तो ब्रेक हो जाए, ठीक है। इफ k is equal to ORD ऑफ s, ठीक है। तो हम चाहते हैं सेव द इमेज एज अ PNG फाइल, जो उस समय फ्रेम था ना, सेव द फ्रेम एज अ PNG फाइल। ये कैसे करेंगे, ठीक है। हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सेव इट?
जब वीडियो एग्जीक्यूट होगा तो एस बटन की प्रेस करेंगे सर, तो अपना
एस प्रेस
ऑप्शन शो
करेंगे,
करेगा।
ठीक है, हाँ, राइट।
फिर अपने आप वो ऑप्शन देगा कहाँ फाइल में सेव करना है वो स्क्रीनशॉट उस वीडियो की।
ऑप्शन नहीं, वो तो हम बनाएंगे ना, तो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू राइट दिस कोड हियर ना,
ओके।
है ना। एक होता है IM राइट,
CV2।
ठीक।
यस।
Here we tell where to write and what to write, ठीक। तो यहाँ पे we will write webcam.png अभी के लिए, ठीक है। And let us run this. अब I am going to press S.
यस।
Let us see if it is saved or not. ये आया webcam, आ गया webcam.png, है ना,
यस सर।
ठीक है। तो now I will be giving you the next task 3. Task 2 was this, है ना, getting सेव करने से पहले तक it was task 2, है ना। Now I will give you some tasks that you have to do in this weekend, ठीक है। Again S, अभी हम हाथ ऐसे करके S प्रेस करेंगे and we'll see कि that this has been updated, ठीक है। What I want is I want you to have time stamp based images, multiple images, ठीक है। I will write it out and there is one or two more things that you will need to do, but the thing is that you have to edit this only, इसके बीच में ही you will do multiple things and through that you will learn. It will be like fill in the blanks, ठीक है। I think that is all for today. In the next class we are going to go deeper into images, right, and how to find different properties of images. ठीक, और उसके वो after doing that, then we will go into neural networks, and then we will go into convolutional neural networks. ठीक है,
ठीक है
ठीक है, okay then, thank you,
Okay.
थैंक यू सर
thank you.